That last video was crazy long. I get it. And it's talking about concepts that might be like the sun, over your head. But you can eventually get there. If you were following along and it made all the sense, then you should try number 3. Use what we did in the previous page 604, 605, to answer question 3. But because I know it was very complicated, I'm just going to say snapshot time, write it out time. Pause the video, skip forward like 10 seconds, pause the video again. You are going to need some scratch paper because these ... dots, they don't really fit in that section of the paper. So pause, highlight and write, resume, pause, highlight and write. Maybe you're back and you're resuming. So this is everything that I wrote for the notes. I started with cosine C equals b minus x over a. And I proceeded to go all the way down to the law of cosines. Oh, I'm pausing for you to write. So you pause while I pause. I'm assuming you're back unpaused, so now write some more, and that's the rest of the paper. Which means that's our formula. For any side of a triangle, we now have the law of cosines to find the missing side length of the triangle. We have a formula for A, B, and now C. That's right. This works for any triangle. Any triangle. Obtuse, acute, right, whatever. You have to know 2 sides and the angle between them, and you have enough information to find the missing side length, of course the missing angles, but you're able to calculate. This is, in fact, actually the Pythagorean theorem. Pause and write. Maybe you're resuming, so here goes. The Pythagorean theorem is a special case of the law of cosines because the Pythagorean theorem works for right triangles. And in a right triangle, the C angle is 90 degrees. And it turns out cosine of 90 is 0. Shall we check that out? Be in degree mode. Cosine 90 is equivalent to 0. So if you put a 90 degree into that formula, all of 2AB cosine C, cosine 90, becomes 0. And you have the Pythagorean theorem. Thank you for watching, commenting, liking, and subscribing. This has been page 606. Much shorter than the last one. A lot happened. Thanks for sticking around. See you next episode.